Hi everyone, my name is Glenn Chiffre and I'm a wellness advocate. And in case you're wondering what that is, let me take a quick minute and explain. You, in your daily life, have all sorts of issues that are impacting your health. Some of them you're aware of, some of them you're not aware of. Some of them are just the chemicals that you bring into your house every day in the form of household cleansers, deodorants, shampoos, and the like. Some are stress-related, some are health-related. As a wellness advocate, my job is to sit with you and to help identify what those issues are, and then to define a quick and simple way to deal with them, get rid of them, and help you be a better you. Now, one of the things that makes me a unique wellness advocate is that the things that I'm going to be recommending to you are, first off, 100% pure therapeutic grade. In other words, the essential oils that I'm going to bring to you are proven beneficial without any harmful side effects whatsoever. I'm also going to talk to you about supplements, but the supplements I'm going to talk to you about are, again, extraordinarily different in that they are 100% bioavailable to your body. So unlike most of the other vitamins and supplements that you take that the body just flushes out without using, the supplements that I'm going to talk to you about are going to make a real, measurable difference in your health and well-being. Now, the way we do this most effectively is to sit down with you, one-on-one and in small groups, to talk to you about what your specific issues are and to help you define a plan for eliminating those issues and feeling better. The other thing we do is we hold DIY classes that help you identify the things in your home that you need to eliminate, like cleaning products, personal care products that have harmful chemicals. We will show you in DIY classes how to make your own that are cheaper, safer, and more effective. Now, all of the classes that we hold are 100% free, absolutely no obligation. Your only obligation is to come, sit, listen, learn, and have fun. While you're at it, you'll meet other people that are on the same path you're on, and together we'll all take this journey to a healthier and happier life. Hope to see you there. Bye-bye.